She did not listen. Huh?
She's an actress.
Baby. Okay, put it.
Can you pretend to be an owl?
Give me a kiss.
We're owls.
Just finish all of them. Finish all of them. Put it here. That's it. Can you put them in the sink, please?
Take it out. Take it.
감사합니다.
Took it out. It's another owl.
Mom, why do you do like kamsahamnida?
Because I'm half Korean.
Ow.
Try.
I want to try. Awesome. Okay.
You like it?
Yeah. Can I have like?
This is perfect Spanish.
Yeah.
You grab only one, okay? And then when you're done, I can give you one more.
Wow.
You want some? Okay. Okay. Don't give the tour, okay? Da. Try my Spanish bread. This is really tastes like Spanish, but there's a sugar filling in there. So I don't know if you want a lot of sugar or what.
Oh, it's yummy.
You like it?
Yeah, of course. Yummy.
Okay.
Are you fucking recording me?
Oh. My American daughter tried Spanish bread for the very first time. This is half American. This is full American. And the other one is, what are you? Half monkey? A half monkey? Sold out. Sold out.